Hello friends, I am Somen Mandal from West Bengal South 24 Pargana Piali. This is my first blog. I love nature very much. My dear YouTube family, those who love nature like me, please subscribe to my channel and encourage me. Once upon a time, the green earth was a dreamy place, where all forms and colors of nature flourished. There were vast stretches of dense green forests, the gentle sound of flowing rivers, a variety of colorful flowers, and flocks of colorful butterflies flying in the blue sky. There was no pollution or harm to nature. People lived in harmony with nature, their livelihoods connected to it. They planted trees, kept rivers and ponds clean, and conserved wildlife. In the green earth, children played in nature's lap. They listened to stories under the shade of trees, were enchanted by bird songs, woke up to the fresh morning air, and slept under the stars at night. However, over time, human greed and carelessness gradually tarnished the beauty of the green earth. Trees were cut down, industries were established, rivers became polluted, and animals lost their habitats. Yet, not everything is lost. Some people still dream of a green earth. They are planting trees, working to protect the environment, and trying to create a beautiful world for future generations. Their efforts might one day restore the green earth to its former glory. Sundarbans are a unique creation of nature. The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Located between India and Bangladesh. Its vast area is covered with mangrove forests, numerous rivers and canals, and an incredible variety of biodiversity, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here are some important aspects of the Sundarbans' natural features and significance. Biodiversity. The Sundarbans is a hub of incredible biodiversity, home to over 450 species of wildlife, including the Royal Bengal tiger, spotted deer, crocodiles, jungle cats, various bird species, and fish. Its biodiversity makes it a critically important ecosystem. 2. Mangrove trees, which are the main feature of the Sundarbans, grow in saline water with roots that rise above the water. These trees help prevent soil erosion during floods, storms, and tides, acting as a natural defense system for coastal areas. 3. Climate impact. Fisheries. The Sundarbans is a vital source of fishery resources. Its rivers and canals are habitats for various fish species. fishing is a major livelihood for the local communities. Mangrove forests serve as breeding and nursery grounds for fish, contributing significantly to the local economy. Five, tourism. The Sundarbans is an attractive destination for tourists. The natural beauty, wildlife, and river environment here captivate visitors. However, it's crucial to focus on environmental protection and conservation during tourism activities. Six, local community lifestyle. The lifestyle of the communities living around the Sundarbans relies on the forest and rivers. Their primary livelihoods include honey collection, fishing, agriculture, and timber collection. However, deforestation, depletion of fish resources, and climate change pose threats to their way of life. 7. Conservation efforts. Various organizations are working to conserve the environment and biodiversity of the Sundarbans. Both the Bangladeshi and Indian governments have initiated several projects for its conservation. Additionally, international organizations and NGOs collaborate with local communities in efforts to protect and preserve the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is a unique creation of nature, and it is our responsibility to protect and conserve it. We must all be aware and take necessary steps to safeguard it from natural disasters and human. Thank you very much for watching my video. The second video will be coming soon.